Hey everyone, this is Andrew from Dividend Growth Masters, and today I wanted to talk a little bit away from dividend investing and talk more about just passive income in general. Now, building passive income is pretty difficult if you don't know where or even how to get started. But if you want to retire early, building multiple passive income streams is pretty much necessary to achieve that goal. So I wanted to basically give you a 4-step guide to building passive income fast. So here it goes. So the first thing is kind of obvious. You need to save more than you earn. So this means living within your cash flow means. If you're spending more than you're earning, you'll never reach passive income retirement. So cut out any unnecessary expenses and live within the amount of cash flow that you're bringing in every single month. And this means you need to track your expenses very closely. And I like to use something called Personal Capital. It's a free personal finance tool that you can just sign up for. And it's great because once you link all your credit cards and all your bank accounts, it basically tracks every line item. It tracks every single thing that you're spending money on, and it tracks every dollar that you're bringing in. So it's 100% free, and it's a really great budgeting tool. Now, the second thing to do, which is probably the most important out of these 4 steps, is to invest your active income into passive income. So, the thing with active income is you have to do work to make that money. If you don't do the work, you don't get the money. So, this would be like an hourly job working at, let's say, Starbucks. If you don't show up for work, you're not going to make the money. In contrast, passive income, you're making money even when you're not working after you put in some amount of effort. So if you really want to achieve passive income retirement, you need to invest your active income into your passive income. And eventually, your passive income will outnumber the active income that you're bringing in. So here's some good examples of investing your active income into passive streams. Obviously, the first one is dividend investing, which my blog and my YouTube channel is mostly about. There's also investing in fixed income investments. So these are like bonds, municipal bonds, treasury bonds, anything like that. Obviously, rental real estate properties is also a pretty big passive income stream for a lot of people. Real estate is the classic type of passive income stream that you're most familiar with. There's also peer-to-peer lending, which can have decent risk-adjusted returns, but the risk is also in the higher category as well. So you can do things like lending club if you wanted to. And real estate crowdfunding is also a new thing that's kind of come up the last few years. You can invest smaller amounts of capital and gain access to properties all over the country. Realty Shares and Fundrise are the two big players in this group, so I would definitely look those up if you're interested in real estate crowdfunding. The third thing you want to do is start a side hustle as soon as possible. Investing all of your active income into passive income is a great way to start building your passive income cash flow stream. But if you truly want to retire early, a side hustle will get you there much faster. Now, there's a lot of things you can do to generate more passive income with a side hustle. One of the things you can do is actually publish books. So I have several dividend investing books and just books about investing in general. And I sell that primarily through Amazon as ebooks. And those ebooks bring in money every single month like clockwork. Creating online courses is also a really great way to build passive income. I also have several online courses about dividend investing and just financial analysis in general. So I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to check that out. But those two income streams bring in passive income every single month to me. So that's a great way to supplement your income. And the fourth thing, I know it sounds kind of corny, but you just have to fail until you succeed. There's a lot of ways to build passive income and you just have to try them and see what sticks and what doesn't. Building passive income towards retirement isn't always a straight road, and sometimes there'll be bumps along the way. But as long as you keep trying, you will succeed in the end. Because even small income streams actually do add up over time. I have several niche sites, I have several other online businesses that may only bring 15 to 50 bucks every single month. But if you have 10 of them, that actually does add up, especially when they're passive income. So they don't really require you to do much more maintenance work. So don't give up, and eventually you'll make it. And if you want to learn more about passive income, especially dividend investing, be sure to check out my website, dividendgrowthmasters.com. I'll include a link in the description. And to get some more free tips, be sure to sign up for my newsletter. And also, if you want to learn the step-by-step process to building a dividend portfolio to reach passive income retirement early, be sure to check out my courses. I'll have links in the description below so you can check that out. Have a good one, guys.